Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Ford Ecosport. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood. Locate the battery at the front of the engine bay and remove any plastic covers. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen terminals, negative first then positive. Remove the hole down, lift the battery straight out, and inspect the tray for corrosion before installing the new unit. Gather a 10 mm wrench, battery brush, terminal grease, and gloves before you begin. Keep a rag handy for spills and a baking soda mix to neutralize acid if needed. If your vehicle uses a radio security code, have it available or use a memory saver to preserve settings. Work in a well-ventilated area and avoid sparks near the battery. Confirm the replacement battery matches cold cranking amps and terminal orientation. After removing terminals and the hole down, lift the battery straight out without tilting to avoid spills. Clean the tray and terminals with a brush and baking soda solution, then dry thoroughly. Place the new battery in the same orientation, tighten the hole down, and apply terminal grease to prevent corrosion. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, torque to spec. Start the engine, and verify electronics and charging at idle for proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.